Welcome to your 5-minute firmers. It's all about your thighs and your legs. So let's get started. Beginning in a squat, we're going to take your feet about hip width apart. You're going to take it down a little bit, and then as you come up, use your thigh muscles. That's it. Let's take it down to strengthen our thighs and come back up. Beautiful. Take it all the way down and up. We've got 2 more. Really sit back. Notice I'm only going halfway. A very modified squat. We got the last one. Take it down and up. Beautiful. Now turn your toes all the way out. We're going to do a plie, making your knees go out, working on the inside of your thighs. That's it. Think good posture. Is your back strong and straight? Your stomach muscles in? That's it. Feel it go down there. Good. Inner thighs and the top of your thighs. Great for quadriceps. Look great in skirts and shorts. That's it. We got 1 more. Now hold it down there, and bring your hands right at your hips. Now bring your heel up, and now the other one. Now start to alternate side to side. You'll start to feel it all on the inside of your legs. That's it. No more jigglies inside. We'll firm it all up. Keep your back strong and straight. Zip up those abs. You got good posture. Quality over quantity. Making the most of each second. We got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Okay, let's all come down to the floor. And the first exercise is for the back of your legs. You're gonna lengthen your legs up, touch in front and touch behind. Touch in front and behind. Lengthen your leg, strengthen. We're gonna firm the back of your legs. That's it, firm it up. It's all about toning and shaping and sculpting. Think about long legs here, lengthen them. We got 1 more, great. And now for the back of your thighs. Lift your heel up and lift and lower. This is working on the hamstring muscles. They're in the back of your thighs, giving your legs beautiful shape, strength. That's it. And tone. Gives you beautiful definition in your legs. We got 2 more here, you guys. 1 more. And release. And let's take it to the other side. Let's work the other leg. The first thing is to lengthen that leg nice and long and lean. Touch it in front and touch it behind. This is working on the entire hip area, legs, strengthening your thigh muscles. That's it, only 5 minutes, but it works. I promise. This is what I do. Tried and true moves. That's it, really lift and bring it around. Squeeze, lengthen your legs. We got 1 more, bring it up and around. Okay, bend your knee now. Bring it down and lift it up. Hamstring curls. This is for the back of those thighs. That's it. Good. Feel as though that heel is like touching the ceiling. The whole time, make sure your stomach is pulled in. Tighten up those abs. Engage your core muscles. Strengthening your arm muscles too. Notice my shoulder is in line with my wrist. We got 1 more. You can do it. Beautiful. Okay, let's sit down together and bicycle it out. Just sit there and bicycle it out. Lean legs. Beautiful. Can you go to the side? Bicycle it out. Beautiful. Long, lean legs. Stretch them when you do this. Stretch them. And now to the other side. Let them stretch out. Stretch. That's it. Beautiful. Lengthen the legs. Beautiful thigh muscles, strong, lean. We got 2 more. Last one. Okay, bring your legs in a straddle position, sitting up nice and tall. Lift through your hips. That's it, and let's stretch it out. Stretching your legs, your inner thighs, the back of your thighs. Look up at the ceiling, stretch lower, and to the other side. Lean legs, great. Stretch, look up, 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 and release. Bring your legs together. Take a deep cleansing breath. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful, you did it. Beautiful looking legs.